Namaste, Ram Ram Ram, a warm welcome to everyone. Harda Swagatam to this session of Lalita Sahasranamam chanting. Hope I'm audible. Meenakshi, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha. So let us start with Guru Vandanam. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na gurov paramam chishurasmi guroho Matirasti gurau mama pahi guru. So let us start the dhyanam. Before we start, let us pray to Lalita Parameshwari. We will do one dhyanam and then directly do the first 3 verses and we will go to 11th verse for practice. Sinduraruna vigrahan trinayanam manikya maulisphurat taranayakashekharam स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. So let's go to the first verse. Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata Budyad Bhanu Sahasrabha Chaturbahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashadhya Krodhakarankushojjvala Manorupekshukodanda Panchatanmatra Sayaka Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala Kshamyata Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala. So let's go to the 11th verse. Eleventh to 15th, I will chant continuously. Then 16th onwards, I will chant once and the panelist will chant once. Nija sallapa madhurya vinirbharsita kachapi mandasmita prabhapura majjat kamesha manasa anakalita sadrishya chibuka shri virajita kamesha baddha mangalya sutra shobhita kandhara Kanakangada keyura kamaniya bhujanvita Ratnagraiveya chinta kalola mukta phalanvita Kameshwara prema ratnamani pratipanastani Nabhyalavala romali lata phalakuchadvayi Lakshyaromalata dharata samunneya madhyama Stanabharadalan madhyapatta bandhavalitraya. Meenakshi, you can chant after me once. Aruna kausumbha vastrabhasvat kati tati Ratna kinkini karamya rashanadama bhushita
Aruna kausumha vastrabhasvat kati tati Ratna kinkini karamya rashanadama bhushita
कामेश ज्ञातसौभाग्यमार्दवोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्यमुकुटाकारजानुद्वयविराजिता
कामेशज्ञातसौभाग्यमार्दवोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्यमुकुटाकारजानुद्वयविराजिता
इन्द्रगोपपरिक्षिप्तस्मरतूणाभजङ्घिका गूढगुल्फा कूर्मपृष्ठजयिष्णुप्रपदान्विता Meenakshi, we are not able, you are on mute.
इन्द्रगोपपरिक्षिप्तस्मरतूणाभजङ्घिका गूढगुल्फा कूर्मपृष्ठजयिष्णुप्रपदान्विता
Audible? I think there is some network issue. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
नखदीधिति सञ्छन्ननमज्जनतमो गुणा पदद्वयप्रभाजालपराकृतसरोरुहा
नखदीधिति सञ्छन्नमणि नमज्जनतमो गुणा पदद्वयप्रभाजालपराकृतसरोरुहा
सिञ्जानमणिमञ्जीरमण्डितश्रीपदाम्बुजा मरालीमन्दगमना महालावण्यशेवधिः Meenakshi, I think there is some lag or we are not able.
सिञ्जानमणिमञ्जी Ma'am, am I audible? सिञ्जानमणिमञ्जीरमण्डितश्रीपदाम्बुजा मरालीमन्दगमना महालावण्यशेवधिः
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Shamyatam, just give me 1 minute. There's some network issue. Let me just try to change your phone. Okay, I think it should be fine now. Kshamyata, let's go ahead. सर्वारुणानवद्यांगी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्कस्था शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा
सर्वारुणानवद्यांगी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्कस्था शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा
सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका चिन्तामणिगृहान्तस्था पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थिता
सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका चिन्तामणिगृहान्तस्था पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थिता
महापद्माटवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधासागरमध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी
महापद्माटवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधासागरमध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी
देवर्षिगणसङ्गातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्तशक्तिसेना समन्विता
देवर्षिगणसङ्घातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्तशक्तिसेना
सम्पत्करी समारूढ सिन्धुरव्रजसेविता अश्वारूढाधिष्ठिताश्वकोटिकोटिभिरावृता
संपत्करी समारूढ सिन्धुरव्रजसेविता अश्वारूढाधिष्ठिताश्वकोटिकोटिभिरावृता
Let's move to the 26th verse. Chakraraja Ratharudha Sarvayudha Parishkruta. Chakra, if you notice here, you can listen to Dvithvam. Chakra Raja Ratha. Tha is a Mahaprana in Ratha. Let me try to highlight it for you. So we have Tha is a Mahaprana, then Rudha, Dha is a Mahaprana, Ru is a Dirgha in Rudha, Sarvayudha, Dha is a Mahaprana Akshara, Parishkruta, Sha is Shanmukha Sha, Geya Chakra, again Geya Chakra, Ratharudha, Tha is a Mahaprana, Ru is a Dirgha here, and Dha is a Mahaprana Akshara. Mantrini, Mantrini, the first in Mantrini, the first ikara that is in Mantri, it's a hrasva, Mantri. That ni is a dirgha there, Mantrini. So na is tatha, dadha, na, which is the fifth letter of Tavarga. Parisevita, Chakraraja Ratharudha Sarvayudha Parishkruta, Geya Chakra Ratharudha Mantrini Parisevita. Chakraraja
Chakraraja
Ratharudha Sarvayudha Parishkrita Chakraraja Ratharudha Sarvayudha Parishkrita
Chakraraja Ratharudha Sarvayudha Parishkrita Chakraraja Ratharudha Sarvayudha Parishkrita
Geya Chakra Ratharudha
Geya Chakra Ratharudha Geya Chakra Ratharudha
Mantrini Parisevita
Mantrini Parisevita Mantrini Parisevita
Geya Chakra Ratharudha Mantrini Parisevita
Geya Chakra Ratharudha Mantrini परिसेविता गेयचक्ररथारूढमन्त्रिणी परिसेविता
चक्रराजरथारूढ सर्वायुध परिष्कृता गेयचक्ररथारूढ मन्त्रिणी परिसेविता
चक्रराजरथारूढ सर्वायुध परिष्कृता गेयचक्ररथारूढमन्त्रिणी परिसेविता चक्रराजरथारूढ सर्वायुध परिष्कृता गेयचक्ररथारूढमन्त्रिणी परिसेविता
Uttamam. As you see clearly in this verse, there are only two names. The first line is one name and the second line is another name. So that is the reason we don't take a pause in these two lines in between. Let's move to the next verse. Kiri Chakra Ratha Rudha. Now you know that Chakra and Ratha Rudha. Ratha Tha is a Mahaprana, Dha is a Mahaprana. Danda, this is Na. Danda, Alpa Prana, Da. Dandanatha, Dandanath. Kiri Chakra Ratha Rudha, Dandanatha, Natha Puraskruta. Kiri Chakra Ratha Rudha, Dandanatha Puraskruta. Tha is a Mahaprana. So, and we have in this Puraskrita, Sa, Ka, and the Raka, this Swara. Kiri Chakra Ratharudha Dandanatha Puraskrita. Jwala Malinika Kshipta. Ksha, this one is Ksha. Kshipta. Vanhi Prakara. We pronounce this as Vanhi. Vanhi Prakara Madhyaga. In Madhyaga, we have Dha as a Mahaprana. So, Kiri Chakra Ratha Rudha Dandanatha Puraskrita. Jwala Malinika Kshipta Vanhi Prakara Madhyaga. Kiri Chakra Ratha Rudha.
Kiri Chakraratharudha, Kiri Chakraratharudha,
Dandanatha Puraskrita.
Dandanatha Puraskrita, Dandanatha Puraskrita,
Kiri Chakra Ratha Rudha Dandanatha Puraskrita.
Kiri Chakraratharudha, Dandanatha Puraskrita, Kiri Chakraratharudha, Dandanatha Puraskrita,
Jwala Malini.
Jwala Malini, Jwala Malini,
Jwala Malinika Kshipta.
Jwala Malinika Kshipta, Jwala Malinika Kshipta,
Vanhi Prakara Madhyaga.
Vanhi Prakara Madhyaga, Vanhi Prakara Madhyaga,
Jwala Malinika Kshipta Vanhi Prakara Madhyaga.
Jwala Malinika Kshipta Vanhi Prakara Madhyaga, Jwala Malinika Kshipta Vanhi Prakara Madhyaga,
Kiri Chakra Ratha Rudha Dandanatha Puraskrita. Jwala Malinika Kshipta Vanhi प्राकार मध्यगा
गिरिचक्ररथारूढदण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिका क्षिप्तवह्निः प्राकारमध्यगा गिरिचक्ररथारूढदण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिका क्षिप्तवह्निः प्राकारमध्यगा.
Okay, so before we move to the next verse, I just want to clarify one doubt. So this, we pronounce this as vanhi, not as vahani. It is vanhi only. So it is her with na, and even in English, if you are seeing this as VAHNI, even then we pronounce this in the IAST version. Even then we pronounce this as vanhi only. So there could be some confusion where, for example, whether it is Brahma or Brahma, Vanhi or Vahani. So this is what is being come from the Acharyas in the past, and this is how we will be chanting this Vanhi and the Brahma. So generally it is a very common question. So it is good that you people are asking about it. So please note that this is pronounced as Vanhi and not as Vahani. Okay. So with this, let's move to the next verse. Bhanda, Bha is a Mahaprana, and then we have Na, and then Alpaprana, Da. Bhanda, Sainya, Vadhodyukta. Vadho, Dha is a Mahaprana, and in Vadhodyukta we have Da and Ya and Ukara. So Bhanda, Sainya, Vadhodyukta. So in Dyukta, the Da here is an Alpaprana Da. So don't get confused. In the Vadhodyukta, the first one, this Vadho, Dha is a Mahaprana. The second one, Da Vitya, the Samyuktakshara, what you are seeing, that is a Alpaprana Da and Ya. Vadhodyukta Shakti Vikrama Harshita. Ha, after Ha we have Sha, which is the Shanmukha Sha. Nitya Parakrama-topa Nirikshana Sha. Nirikshana Samutsuka. Bhanda Sainya Vadhodyukta Shakti Vikrama Harshita. Nitya Parakrama-topa Nirikshana Samutsuka. Bhanda Sainya Vadhodyukta
भण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्त भण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्त
Shakti Vikrama-harshita.
शक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता शक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता
Bhanda Sainya Vadhodyukta Shakti Vikrama-harshita.
सैन्यवधोद्युक्त शक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता भण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्त शक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता
Nitya Parakrama-topa
नित्या पराक्रमाटोप नित्या पराक्रमाटोप
Nirikshana Samutsuka.
निरीक्षणसमुत्सुका निरीक्षणसमुत्सुका
Nitya Parakrama-topa Nirikshana Samutsuka.
नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणसमुत्सुका नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणसमुत्सुका
Bhanda Sainya Vadhodyukta शक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणसमुत्सुका
सैन्यवधोद्युक्तशक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटो क्षणसमुत्सुका भण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्तशक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणसमुत्सुका
Uttamam. So again in this we have only two names. Now with this we'll move to the next verse. Bhanda, again we have Bha Mahaprana and we have Na and Alpa Prana Da. Bhanda, Putra, Vadhodyukta. Vadhodha is a Mahaprana Akshara and we have Alpa Prana Da and Ya and Ukara. So Bhanda, Putra, Vadhodyukta, Bala, Vikrama, Nandita. Bhandaputra Vadhodyukta Bala Vikrama Nandita. Mantrinyamba. In Mantri, we have Na, Ta, Ra, and the Iswara. So Mantrinyamba Virachita Vishanga Vadha Toshita. Vishanga Vadha. Dha is a Mahaprana. And in Vishanga, Sha is a Shanmukha Sha. And again in Toshita, Sha is a Shanmukha Sha. Bhandaputra.
Bhandaputra. Bhandaputra.
Vadhodyukta.
Vadhodyukta. Vadhodyukta.
Bala Vikramanandita.
Bala Vikramanandita. Bala Vikramanandita.
Samyatam. Yeah. Bhandaputra Vadhodyukta Bala Vikramanandita.
Bhandaputra Bala Vikramanandita. Bhandaputra Bala Vikramanandita.
Mantrinyamba.
Mantrinyamba. Mantrinyamba.
Virachita.
Virachita. Virachita.
Vishangavadhatoshita.
Vishangavadhatoshita. Vishangavadhatoshita.
Mantrinyamba virachita vishangavadhatoshita.
Mantrinyamba virachita vishangavadhatoshita. Mantrinyamba virachita vishangavadhatoshita.
Bhandaputra Vadhodyukta Bala Vikramanandita. Mantrinyamba virachita vishangavadhatoshita.
Bhandaputra Vadhodyukta Bala Vikramanandita. Mantrinyamba virachita vishangavadhatoshita. Bhandaputra Vadhodyukta Bala Vikramanandita. Mantrinyamba virachita vishangavadhatoshita.
Tamam. So let's move to the next verse. विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्य नंदिता विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्य नंदिता कामेश्वर मुखालोक ख is a महाप्राण कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा विशुक्र प्राणहरण
विशुक्र प्राणहरण विशुक्र प्राणहरण
वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता
वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता
विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता
विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता
कामेश्वर मुखालोक
कामेश्वर मुखालोक कामेश्वर मुखालोक
कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा
कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा
कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा
कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा
विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा
विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वर.
Can you chant the second line once again? I don't know if it was network issue or I couldn't hear the second padam in the second line. That is the fourth padam.
कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा. Ma'am, shall I chant the whole shloka again?
Yes.
विशुक्र प्राणहरण वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वर मुखालोक कल्पित श्री गणेश्वरा.
Let's move to the next verse. Mahaganesha Nirbhinna. Bha is a Mahaprana here. Mahaganesha Nirbhinna Vighna Gha Yantra Praharshita Shanmukha Sha. Mahaganesha Nirbhinna Vighna Yantra Praharshita. Bhanda Surendra. Again, Bha is a Mahaprana and Da is an Alpa Prana here. Bhanda Surendra Nirmukta Shastra Pratyastra Varshini. Sha is a Shanmukha Sha. Mahaganesha
Mahaganesha Mahaganesha
निर्भिन्न
निर्भिन्न निर्भिन्न
विघ्नयन्त्रप्रहर्षिता
विघ्नयन्त्रप्रहर्षिता विघ्नयन्त्रप्रहर्षिता
महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयन्त्रप्रहर्षिता
महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयन्त्रप्रहर्षिता महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयन्त्रप्रहर्षिता
भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त
भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त
शस्त्रप्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
शस्त्रप्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी शस्त्रप्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्रप्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्रप्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्रप्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयन्त्रप्रहर्षिता भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्रप्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयन्त्रप्रहर्षिता भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्रप्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयन्त्रप्रहर्षिता भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्रप्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
Uttama. Let's move to the next one. Karanguli. This is Karanguli. Nakhotpanna. Kha is a Mahaprana here. Narayana Dashakritihi. Karanguli Nakhotpanna Narayana Dashakritihi. Mahapashupatastragni Nirdagdhasura. In Nirdagdha, the da is an alpaprana, then we have g and then we have dha Mahaprana. Sura Sainika. Mahapashupatastragni Nirdagdhasura Sainika. Karanguli Nakhotpanna. Shruyate va? Meenakshi?
श्रूयते वा
Ah.
कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्न कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्न
नारायणदशाकृतिः
नारायणदशाकृतिः नारायणदशाकृतिः
कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्न नारायणदशाकृतिः
कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्न नारायणदशाकृतिः कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्न नारायणदशाकृतिः
महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निर्दग्धासुर क्षम्यताम्, I'll split and teach. महापाशुपतास्त्राग्नि
महापाशुपतास्त्राग्नि महापाशुपतास्त्राग्नि
निर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
निर्दग्धासुरसैनिका निर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निनिर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
राग्निर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
Once again,
महापा
go ahead, Shamita.
महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निनिर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्ननारायणदशाकृतिः महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निनिर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्ननारायणदशा महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निनिर्दग्धासुरसैनिका कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्ननारायणदशाकृतिः महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निनिर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
Uttamam. So let's have a practice. I request the attendees to raise hands. Once again, a very, very humble request. Only those who have not got a chance to chant in the last few classes, only those people, please raise your hands. Since I'll not be able to call out everyone's name in the class. So if you have got a chance in the last two classes, please do not raise your hands. And before that, those who have not got a chance at all, please raise your hands. And after 5-10 minutes, I will again request for others if we have time. So those who have not got a chance till date at all, only those people, please raise hands. It's my humble request. Okay, so let me start calling the names. We'll do a practice from 15th verse onwards today. Jyoti Bhagini, I've unmuted you.
राम राम भगिनी.
Ram Ram Ram.
लक्षरोमलता धारता समुन्नेय मध्यमा स्तनभारदलन्मध्यपट्टबन्धवलित्रया.
Tamam, Dhanyavadaha. Jambunathan Mahodaya, I've unmuted you.
Madam,
Can-
I have already recited, madam. That's
Oh.
all. Give the chance to some other. Thank
Sure,
you.
Dhanyavadaha. Thank you so much.
Dhanyavad.
Very nice of you. Shamala Bhagini,
I raised the hand for some other purpose.
okay, we will talk about it in the end. Right now, we will do the practice. Shamala Bhagini, I've unmuted you. You're not able to hear you. I'll go to Sneha Kamath Bhagini. Sneha Kamath, I have unmuted you.
Hari Om Akka.
Hari Om. Can you chant?
17, this one, no?
You can
Aruna
chant
Aruna.
it. You want to chant Aruna Aruna? Okay.
No,
go
no,
ahead.
Laksha Roma, that one only. That's
Yeah,
okay.
it's okay. It's okay. You can chant Aruna Aruna, which is okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Aruna Aruna Kausumbha Vastra Pasvat Kati Kati. Sorry. Aruna Aruna.
Na Shruyate, I can't hear you.
Ratna Kinkini Karamya Rashana Dama Bhushita.
Can you chant the first line again? I could not hear.
अरुणारुणकौसुम्बवस्त्रभास्वत्कटीतटी.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः.
Thank you.
Sandhya Hariharan. One more request is you please raise hands now only if you would like to chant. If you have any doubts, let's park it to the end of the session, or we can connect on the Q&A. I'll respond on that parallelly. So please raise hands only for chanting now. Sandhya Hariharan Bhagini. Yes,
Can
I
you
can
hear
hear
me?
you. Yes.
Thank you. कामेश ज्ञात सौभाग्यमार्
Go ahead, Bhagini.
कामेश ज्ञात सौभाग्यमार्दवोरु वोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्यमुकुटाकार जानुद्वय विराजिता.
Okay. First line, Bhagini. I will chant once, you repeat after me. Kameshagnata saubhagyamardavoruddvayanvita.
कामेश ज्ञात सौभाग्य मार्दवोरुद्वयान्विता
Manikyamukutakarajanudvaya
माणिक्यमुकुटाकार जानुद्वय विराजिता.
धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः माता.
Bharadwaj Mahodaya, I have unmuted you.
Thank you very much. Which is this Indragopa? Now, since
Yes.
I hadn't had a chance, can I do 5 stanzas in one go, please?
No, every class, I'm sorry, it's one shloka because we have
Okay.
completed only 6 shlokas. I have in fact around 70 people who have raised hands, that is who
Okay.
have not got a chance till date. So
Okay, thank
my
you.
humble
Yeah.
request for today one was.
Okay.
So having said that,
Indragopa
Mahodaya,
Pari.
having said
Sorry?
that, what we will do is after around 40 or 50 verses, we will have an exclusive session, 1 or 2 sessions, where you will get to practice. Most of you will get to practice. So please
Okay.
don't mind if I'm able to give you for only 1 verse.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Indragopa Parikshipta Smaratuna Bhajangika Gulpha Kurma Prishta Jayushnu Prapadanvita.
Uttamam. First line, can you chant again, Mahodaya?
Indragopa Parikshipta Smaratuna Bhajangika.
Okay, Uttamam. Just this tuna, you're chanting this as na, right? I couldn't hear it. I heard a bit na, ta, tha, da,
Na.
tha, na.
Yeah.
Parikshipta smaratuna bhajanghika. Uttamam.
Bhajangika. Yes. Thank you. Yeah.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Sudha Desiraju. Sudha Desiraju Bhagini. I've unmuted you. I request you, please unmute yourself soon so that we will not lose time. Sudha Bhagini, yes, go ahead.
Yeah, namaste.
Namaste.
Nakhadidhiti sanchanna namajjanatamo guna padadvaya prabhajala parakruta saroruha.
Can you chant the first line? I'll chant once, you can chant after me. Nakhadidhiti sanchanna namajjanatamo guna.
Nakhadidhiti sanchanna namajjanatamo guna.
Dhanyavadaha Sudha Bhagini.
Dhanyavada madam.
Rama Venkat. Rama Venkat Bhagini, I've unmuted you. Okay, I'll move to the next person. Lata Philip. Latha Bhagini. Namaskaram.
शिञ्जानमणिमञ्जीरमण्डितश्रीपदाम्बुजा मरालीमण्डगमना महालावण्यशेवदिः.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. KV Sangeeta.
नमस्ते मैडम।
Namaste.
सर्वारुणावध्याङ्गी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्कस्ता शिव स्वाधीनवल्लभा।
I will chant once, you can repeat after me. Sarvarunanavadyangi.
सर्वारुणावध्याङ्गी।
Bhagini, after Sarvaruna, there is na. Okay. Aruna, first one is a na, and then we have na, the one I'm pointing. Let me annotate it. Okay. This is a na, and this is na. Sarvarunana vadyangi. This is Sarvarunana vadyangi.
सर्वारुणान वद्यांगी
Sarvabharana bhushita.
सर्वाभरणभूषिता
Shivakameshwarankastha.
शिवकामेश्वराङ्कस्था
Shiva Swadhina Vallabha.
शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा।
Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद।
Uma Chetan Bhagini. I've unmuted.
Bhagini, can you hear me?
Yes.
सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका चिन्तामणिगृहान्तस्था पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थिता।
Uttamam. You can take a pause actually after this first padam. Sumeru Madhya Shringastha Shrimanagaranayika. Can you repeat?
सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका।
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
धन्यवादः।
Shubha Rajgopal. Shubha Gopal. Can you chant Mahapadmatavi Samstha?
महापद्माटवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधासागरमध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी। महापद्माटवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधासागरमध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी।
Tamam Dhanyavadaha. Rita Uday Kumar. I've unmuted you.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
This is Shubha, ma'am.
Oh, Kshamyatam. I think that was then Uma Bhagini, I guess, who chanted. Yeah, you didn't chant, right, Shubha
No,
Bhagini?
ma'am, I have not
Okay.
chanted, ma'am.
So you can chant the 23rd verse.
23rd.
Yes.
Sudha Sagara Madhyastha Kamakshi Kamadayini Devarshi Gana
One second. You have to start from Mahapadmatavi Samstha. Okay, 23rd verse.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
No problem.
Okay, ma'am. Mahapadmatavi Samstha Kadambhavanavasini Sudha Sagara Madhyastha Kamakshi Kamadayini
Uttamam, dhanyavadaha. So in fact, you can take a pause after madhyastha if you want, so that it is easy to chant
Okay, madam.
verse. Okay, dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadah, madam.
Chandrasekhar, yes, Mahodaya. I have unmuted you.
Bhagini, you have unmuted me before.
Okay, there is a, okay, yeah. Chandrasekhar Mahodaya, be ready. I'll call next. Rita Bhagini, you can start.
देवर्षिगणसङ्घातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्तशक्तिसेना समन्विता.
Tamam, dhanyavadaha. Chandrasekhar Mahodaya, I have unmuted you now. Okay, let me move to the next person. Sri Lakshmi Kondapalli, I have unmuted you. Sri Lakshmi. Okay.
संपत्करी समारूढ़ सिंधुरव्रज सेविता अश्वारूढ़ाधिष्ठिताश्वकोटिकोटिभिरावृता.
Tamam. In the first line, Bhagini, Sevita is a Dirgha. I understand, sometimes it is very difficult to chant in one breath, but it comes out of practice. Last letter is a Dirgha. In second line, Ashwarudhadhisthitashva. This is Sh and Tha. So, Ashwarudhadhisthitashva. Can you chant the second line again?
अश्वारूढ़ाधिष्ठिताश्वकोटिकोटिभिरावृता.
So only thing was this Dha Mahaprana, Ashwarudha. Okay.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha. Rashmi Harindranath. 24th verse, please.
देवर्षिगणसङ्घातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्तशक्तिसेना समन्विता.
Uttamam. In Sanghata, Gha is a Mahaprana. Okay.
Okay.
You can repeat after me. Devarshigana Sanghata Stuyamanatma Vaibhava.
देवर्षिगणसङ्घातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा.
Devarshigana Sanghata Stuyamanatma Vaibhava.
देवर्षिगणसङ्घातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा.
Bhandasuravadhodyukta Shaktisena Samannvita.
भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्त शक्तिसेना समन्विता.
Tamam. Dhanyavadaha. So I know I still didn't call out many names out of the raised hands, but I hope you would understand. I would schedule a separate practice session. So within this 1 hour slot, it's very difficult to call out all the names. So we will try to have an additional practice slot so that you will get an opportunity to chant. So with this, we will do the Mangalam and stop. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Tyambake Devi Narayani Namostute. Namaskarams, pranams to everyone. Punarmilamaha.
Madam, I have a question to ask.
Okay.
Can I ask, the slides which you are showing, I would like the PDF of that on the course page, but it is not there, madam. I would like to, the ones which you are actually reading out, because that becomes very easy for me.
Correct, that's true. Yeah, that's true. But what I understand from the technical team is it is already available. So if, may I know who is this? I could not.
This
make
is
out.
Jyoti Shenoy.
Okay, Jyoti, let me check. Can you please send out a mail to me, sandhya.vyoma@gmail.com. Okay?
Thank you, Bhagini, so much for your help.
No problem. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram.
Happy Varalakshmi to you.
Thank you. Wish you also the same.
Thank you, Bhagini.